How to fix WhatsApp can't send this media, choose a different media and try again. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the WhatsApp problem where the WhatsApp says it can't send this media, choose a different media and try again. So if you're trying to send photos and videos on WhatsApp and this error keeps showing up, don't worry. In this video, we'll show you the ways to fix it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So with that, first make sure that your internet connection is working properly. If not, then you can try switching between the Wi-Fi and mobile data, or you can simply turn airplane mode on and off once. And next, check if the media file is corrupted or not. You can simply try opening the photo or video from your gallery, and if it doesn't open properly, then WhatsApp won't be able to send it. Now, just open the WhatsApp, and from here, you can just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now, here from the drop down menu, just tap on settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and there you can simply tap on storage and data. And then here you can check if the media upload quality is set properly or not. And with that, you can just go to the phone settings again, and from here you can simply select the app section, or you can simply search for it, or if not you can simply go back to the settings, and from here you can simply go to the apps, and from here you can just tap on manage apps and simply search for WhatsApp here. And here, once you're done with it, you can just tap on WhatsApp to open it. And from here, you can just tap on app permissions. And here you can make sure that the storage, photos, and media access are allowed. And next, you can clear the WhatsApp cache. So here again, go back to the app settings, and from here, you can just tap on clear data option shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now from the pop-up menu, you can just tap on clear cache and clear it. And with that, you can also check if the WhatsApp is updated. So open the Play Store, and from here, you can simply search for the WhatsApp app. And here you can check if the app is updated to the latest version or not. And even with that, if the problem still continues, then you can simply restart your device and try sending the media again. And finally, if nothing works, you can just uninstall the WhatsApp app and reinstall it again. And that's it. That's how you can fix WhatsApp can send media error easily. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.